So first of all, smile and wave. Jump around, raise the roof a little bit. Yeah, what's going on? Andrew.
What's up?
Yeah, okay. Oh, double check your name, sorry.
Yeah, Andrew.
You ready?
I'm ready. I'm so ready.
Why are you here today? What are you doing?
Well, one of our friends had a crazy idea that we should go skydiving, and I was like, hell yeah.
Like, I'm into that craziness.
Yeah, I'm totally into it. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I'm stoked that I finally get to do it.
Nice, well we're stoked that you're here. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Last words before we go up? Be jealous!
I don't know, man.
Yeah!
I don't know that I want to have any last words. Turn this. Okay. Ready, set, go and step out. Tap you, arms out. Look at the camera.
Smile at me!
Wave, flip off, do whatever. 6,000 feet up here. This is the time where we pulled the ripcord, right?
There you go, 6,000 feet.
I got it.
Somebody's paying attention. Alright, smile for me out there, okay? Throw up the shocker. Whatever. See you outside, man.
That's so good.
Here we go! Nice one! You like that or what? That was sweet. Here, pull it up. We're under this. Nice one, Joe. Let me pin down here. All right, would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. That was fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome. Favorite part, free fall or what?
Oh, absolutely.
Of course.
But the flying was pretty cool too.
Nice.
It was pretty fantastic.
All right. We'll see you soon then.